Each carry handle box includes 2 complete bright orange ratchet straps, 2 soft loop straps, a heavy-duty vinyl storage bag, safety and usage instructions, and cool stickers for your truck or trailer. Innovative features include special heavy-duty 1.6-inch tie-down webbing that is 3.5 times stronger than standard tie-down webbing. The ratchet buckles have ergonomic rubber-coated handles that are easy to use even when wearing gloves. This vinyl-coated S-hooks include safety latches, so they stay attached to your anchor points even when the tension is off the strap. Soft loop straps form temporary anchor points on your trailer, and they're also great for attaching to handlebars or other parts of your vehicle that have chrome or paint that you don't want to scratch. Of course, every strap includes DOT-compliant warning tags, clearly marked with the safe working load, so you'll easily be able to pass any roadside inspection.